So we just picked up some new shoes for the Jeep. I transitioned from the Thompson Baja Boss MTs to the ATs. They're still quite an aggressive tire, as you can see, but they have the 3-peak rating on top of the mud snow rating, so they should be much better snow tires, and I do enjoy exploring in the snow quite a bit. They still look very aggressive on the Jeep. As you can see, they have the side biters here. Still look really aggressive when you're passing someone or someone's taking a look at the Jeep from the side. And the tires there are still, as you can see, are still quite an aggressive look for the Jeep. So you're not losing an aggressive look. I can tell you, having driven about 10 miles here, that on the road, much firmer stance. Feels like you're connected to the road a lot more. Of course, that's probably due to brand new tires, of course, but a big difference, I think I can feel the difference in how they grab the road, even compared to the time back when I got the MTs brand new. So look forward to enjoying some trails here in Arizona with some new shoes on an old Jeep. Hopefully it won't break down too much. Take care and have a good day.